Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to add crypto payments to your WordPress website. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. Then, open a new tab and search for Cryptonic plugin. Visit their official site. It's a paid plugin that costs around $27. Purchase and download the plugin to your device. Go back to WordPress, click Plugins, add new, upload plugin. Upload the Cryptonic file you just downloaded. Once installed and activated, you'll be able to accept crypto payments on your site easily. And that's it. Your site is now crypto ready. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.